Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the motorcycle can handle a sidecar load and identifying 3 solid mount points. This matters for safety and handling. Once confirmed, fabricate a steel subframe with 1/8 plate and 1/5 tubing to distribute stress, and tack weld joints for test fit. Make sure to measure wheelbase and the sidecar centerline, then clamp the subframe to the bike to check alignment. These first steps set the geometry that controls steering and stability. Once the subframe fits, mount the spindle, hub, and wheel, using sealed bearings to reduce maintenance and cotter pins to secure nuts. Then add the sidecar suspension. An adjustable shock lets you tune per load for balance between comfort and roll resistance. Make sure to set ride height so the sidecar wheel takes load without lifting the bike wheel. After that, align toe-in about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch and keep camber neutral. Proper alignment prevents pull and uneven tire wear. You finish by torquing every bolt to spec and applying thread locker on critical joints to avoid loosening under vibration. This is essential for safety. Once done, perform a low-speed test ride in a safe area, checking steering return, brake balance, and how the outfit tracks. Make incremental adjustments between runs. If you experience persistent pull or instability, tweak toe-in, shift cargo or ballast toward the sidecar, or alter shock per load. Small changes produce predictable handling improvements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.